What's going on, crew? Today I'm going to show you a Vice Online hack for iOS and Android. So what you need to do is go to hexmods.com and type in Vice Online. So let me just type that in and you guys will see right here the game is here. So this is the modded version, guys, free golden bucks. So press the download button and it's going to start downloading it. So before it downloads, there is going to be a verification, guys. This is the last step. You just need to download 2 apps, follow instructions, and this will install the Vice Online mod into your phone. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So let's just wait. So as you can see, it says missing files. So I just need to download like 2 of these apps. So like Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could download this. I could do Underdog Fantasy, which is down and run for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of them, guys. Then the Vice Online mod will be on your phone, and it works on iOS and Android. So definitely try it out, guys. That's the website right there, hexmods.com. So if you guys play Vice Online, you know that it's tough being broke, and it's always going to be an advantage to be rich. So try it out. So yeah, you just need to download like 2 of these apps and follow instructions. So like Colorwood Block, you gotta like reach level 25 on that one. So most of these are games, guys, which are pretty easy to do. So just try it out for yourself. That's how to get a Vice Online hack for iOS and Android. Super crazy. So if you guys do play Vice Online, I'm just trying to help you out because this actually works, guys, and it's super insane. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to try it out for yourself because this is super cool, guys, and it actually works. So if this tutorial does work for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it just so we can get some gamers in here who are actually rich on Vice Online, because a lot of people are poor, and I mean that's fine, but you know, this is great. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It actually works, guys. Super awesome, and peace out.